Okay, we have successfully created a Canva account. Now we logged into our Canva application, or rather software, and here is the first thing that we're seeing facing us on the screen. You can see we have Canva here, which is the main account with all the features like home, your projects, and trash, just in case you want to delete something. And you have for you, this is a suggestion for you if you want to make probably a card of your choice, you want to create a specific content of your choice. This is, just an insight for you, like an insight for you. Okay, you have your documents, probably you have some things like your phone, your documents, like your pictures, your documents, anything that you have saved in your on the laptop are all available here. Whiteboard is an example for you to make use of. Okay, this is a whiteboard, is an example for you to you actually make use of if you want to. And we have presentation here. If you want to make a presentation, they simplified everything for you. You can see the way they actually arranged it. If you want to make you can see the way they arranged it. So once you click on this one, it's going to go straight to where you want it to be, to addict it for your choice or your taste. We also have social media content. Okay, you want to create probably Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter account, and their image sizes. You can come here and choose the one you want. You can choose and edit it to your choice or taste. Okay, we also have things like more. If you want more of what are not here, you can click on this more. And we also have websites, things that you actually downloaded from other website that you want to make use of or edit for your consumption. We also have videos that you downloaded or you actually make using your phone or laptop. You can edit them to your choice if you want. And here we're going to make a logo. Let's type in logo. Okay, let's see what this gives us. Here's an example of logos. It's saying we have clothing logo, gaming logos, fashion logos, all the logos of whatever the things that you want, all the logos of all the worldly jobs ramification. You can find them here. We have our gaming logos, we have our clothing logos, we have our fashion logos, the normal logo. Let's click on this clothing logo and see what happened. Here's what happened. We click on the search, and here is what it actually brought up. So many templates of logos. Okay, so many templates of logos. So I want to make use of one of those. Let's click on this one, Borsel. But remember that any of this template you click on that has PRO, that's pro, that simply means it's not free. You have to pay in order to make use of it, because everything is not free. Some things are not free, so you have to pay for them. But as a student, you have no money, so you have no business with anything that's monetized. So what you do, you double click on this one, so it's going to open for each user. You're going to customize it to your taste. How do you customize it? Let's customize this and see. Okay, you click on this customize template. Once you click on the customize template, it's going to open for you to edit it to your own choice. And here's it. Here's what we have. We have Brussels here. So anything you want to edit here. Remember, we actually got this from one of the templates and Canva when we search for it. So we're going to make use of it because we want to customize it. So we're going to delete this. Once you double click on it, you see this fashion, this Borsel fashion. So we're going to use, let's make use of let's say Taraba. Okay, here's Taraba. We can double click on this Borsel to change it to M-Tech. I want to change it to M-Tech. You can click on it, M-Tech. Remember M-Tech. We are the M-Tech. So this is what we're teaching you about graphic. So you can also change this when you double click on it. But what do you want to change it to? It's what do they call it? It's an icon. So what do you want to change it to? You type anything you want to change it to. Do you want to change it to this? If you want to change it to that, it's going to come out. If you want to change it to this, it's going to come out to the little size of your choice. So I think we're okay doing whatever we want to do. So when you're done, you click on the background. Okay, so you see this is what we actually created. If you want more are there. If you want to search for more logos, they're here. and then when you click on this, you want to delete the page because you're not okay with it. What do you call it? The logo you created, you can lock it so that nobody will ever make use of it except you, and you can also duplicate it if you want, but we're not ready for that, you understand? So you can you can see in the features we also have what design, we also have element, text, brand, upload. We have so many features to make use of. So you see, we successfully created a logo, and here's the logo we created. You can also change the background if you want. But how would you do that? You go above by your left, you click on here. You see, you click on here, it's going to provide you with so many options of colors. You can see we have red color, it changes to red. We have we have hash, we have this, and we have that. But remember, our first color is preferable, so let's make use of black. Let's maintain the black, and we're done with that. And if you also want Canva to assist you, you come here, you come to this star logo, Canva assistant. Canva is going to assist you by creating the logo of your choice. You understand? So we've successfully done that, and now it's for us to actually download it and share it to our phone if we want.
By now, I'm expecting that you can create a logo of your choice. Okay, today we're going to center on resume. I hope you know what resume is. A resume, it's a detail about your skills and your experience. See, there's a difference between a CV and a resume. A CV carries every information about your education, while a resume is strictly concerned about your skills and you know your experience. So we're going to create a resume today. Let's type resume and see. So we're going to search on this resume. Here's what happens. Here's the result of our search. By now, I'm expected that you can search whatever it is that you want because we discussed it in our previous class. So here's the result of our own search. We search for resume, and here is what it actually gives us. These are samples of CVs, of resume rather. These are multiple samples of CVs, resume rather. So we're going to make one use of one of those. And remember that we discussed about the monetization of templates. Any template you actually see with something like this as pro, something like this, simply means you're going to pay money in order to make use of it. Example of those template are this one, and this one too. So we're going to make use of the one that we don't really have to pay money in order to make use of. So let's search for a simpler one in order not to confuse ourselves. In order not to confuse ourselves, let's search for a free but simple template. Let's see what happens. Say searching, say searching, say searching. Okay, let's make use of this one. This one seems very simple. So we're going to make use of this one. You double click on it and it's going to open. Once it opens, this is what you will see on the screen. Okay, so you come here. This template is actually free. No, this isn't free. This template isn't free. So we're going back to get a free template. We're going back now. We're going to make use of this one and I'll click on it. A page is going to open. You see, this one is 100% free, and you can customize it to to your choice or taste. Yeah, so you're going to click on this place, this customize temp, and customize this template. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to another page where you can customize it to your taste or choice. So here we are. In order to increase the size of this template or this image, you to come here and increase the size to the volume at which will be easier for you to edit or rather customize. So let's start with this place, this name. Once you double click on it, it's going to give you an option telling you to change to whatever it is you want to include. So my name is Sani Yakubu. So I'm going to include my name. Hers was Claudia Elves. So I'm going to remove the Claudia and Elves to my name. Sani Yakubu. You see, I've succeeded in doing that. I can also change this by double clicking on it. Remember our previous class, we've done this, but now you should understand how it goes. So I'm going to change this Chief Exclusive Office toward MTech. MTech, remember you're dealing with MTech. MTech is responsible for teaching you what you're learning today. Okay, the professional profile. I have nothing to do with this, but just in case you want to customize it to your own taste, maybe there's an idea you have that you want to be different with this one, you can do it if you want. But for me, I have no business with that. So, but we can also change this picture by double clicking on it. Once you double click on this picture, you can change it. How do you do that? You come here to this place, to this option, this place by your left hand side, where it actually indicates upload. So you're just going to click on the upload. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So we have no image that we once downloaded here on Canva. Remember that once you download a picture or document or image to this place, it remains there forever. You can make use of it as long as you have an account with Canva. You understand? So we're going to upload a profile or what they call it, a file of a choice. Okay, here's the picture I want to use this. I want to use, let's make use of this picture. So you're going to double click on it. And automatically it will download it. You'll find it downloading here. So once it download, you can drag it and bring it here. So we've successfully done that. So what do we do now? We want to replace this picture. So you can bring this picture here. Clicking on it, bring it here. You can see how it looks now. Automatically, I have my own CV. I made this template to become mine because you can see my picture boldly on it. So here is a contact address. Let's make use of our number. My phone number, for instance, it's 080 6111444. So here's my contact. Here's my contact. You see, I'm actually customizing this to my own resume. For instance, now you want to change this email to. Remember that this logo is indicating email address. This envelope here is indicating email address. So I'm going to include my email. My email is this. Once you double click on it, it's going to give you an option to change it to whatever it is you want to impute. Double click on it, it gives you that space. So Sani Yakubu Yakubu at gmail.com. Sani Yakubu at gmail.com. Sani Yakubu at gmail.com. See, we're done with my email address. And we can make use of this website too. Once you double click on it, it's going to give you an option to include whatever you want. To whatever you want. Or you click on, you typed mtech.com, or probably let's make use of my name as my website. Sani Yakubu Yakubu.com. And we can also change this address if you want. We can make use of, once you double click on it, it will give you an option to change whatever it is that's there to your choice. Let's see, Dunga Road, Dunga Road, Dunga Road. Number 123, Dunga Road. Okay. One, two, three, space, Dongle Road. Okay, so we're done with that. You can see this template has automatically become mine. I edit most of the things you can see here, and it has become my skills. What's my skill? Teamwork. I have that. I have that skill. Time management, leadership, verbal and written, skills. I also have that. Communication skills, language, the languages I speak, one of the languages I speak. So let's edit this. Let's make choose of this. I want to remove this French. I don't understand French, so I'm going to include Hausa language. Hausa, show capital letter. So Hausa language. Hausa. And this China, I've never speak never spoken this language before, so I'm going to addict it to Fulani, full, Fulbe, Fulbe. In Spanish, can't speak Spanish, so I'm going to delete it and include Jucom. I'm including Jucom now. Jucom, Jucom. And I have no other language I speak, so I'm going to stop here. So I've successfully included the languages I speak: English, Hausa, Fulbe, and Jukum. So what next do I want to customize or change? I'm going to customize this my education, Bachelor of what? Bachelor of Computer Science. Bachelor of Computer Science. So BSc, that should be Bachelor Bachelor of Computer Science. Computer Science. Okay, I've successfully input my education, MBA, Master's Business Administration. That's not what I have. I have BSc, 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 B, BSc. Okay, certification. So we're done with this part. What next? Let's go down and see what we also have. We're going up to see what we're supposed to add here. Head management. You can change this. You can change this as long as you click on it. These details. You can change this work experience, CEO. Once you double click on it, it's going to give you an option to edit what's there. Just secretary, secretary, secretary. Mm, okay, as you can see, we're almost done with customizing this. We're almost done. MTech. What's here? We're going to edit this to a choice 2023 to 2023. Okay, we are done with this. But nice. As you can see, we're done with customizing the resume to a choice, and this resume automatically becomes mine. As time goes on, I will teach you how to, download it to your computer or probably your device. So as you can see, now we're done with creating or customizing the template we took from the resume template. So this becomes mine automatically. The details that is contained on it becomes mine. You can use this, to create resume for people who are seeking for job, graduates and other people, other laborers who are actually seeking for job. That's that for today. Thank you.